Hey, this is like a morning routine. Let me show you how I drink my water in the morning. I take a sachet of water. This is like 2 cups of water. It's more than a normal cup of water that I do this. Because my body is full of electrolytes, I do this. This is, come. This is like salt. This is salt. Yeah, a pinch of salt is okay. Just a pinch of salt. This is Himalayan pig salt. I pour that, and this is baking soda. Baking soda. I take a pinch of baking soda. That's like a pinch, and I take my apple cider vinegar with mother, and I pour that. 1 cup is okay. Pour 1 cup in my cup, and this my spoon. Wow. And that is it. That's my morning routine. That's what I take first thing in the morning. I take water first thing in the morning. I do this because my body is full of electrolytes, and this is electrolyte, homemade, no sugar, good for your health. This is an afterthought. I forgot to mention that it's not every salt that you will use. It's not all this processed salt that you use. We have Himalayan pink salt. We have Celtic salt. We have Badger Gold. We have sea salt. Those are the salts that you will use. Don't go and use processed salt. Processed salt is dangerous to your health. So if you are mixing your electrolyte, it has to be a non-processed salt like this and baking soda. Just a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of your pink salt, and if you don't have apple cider vinegar with mother, you don't need to bother about it. You can just do this too, and you'll be fine. So don't go and take processed salt. This common white salt in the market, they are unhealthy for you. They are no. I'm the Shepherd Lord, Shadrach, and I strive to make you thrive.